Hey guys, Daniel here from Urban Automotive. How you guys doing today? Thanks
Very
for coming
good.
back.
Thanks, Dan, for asking.
Thanks for coming back to our channel. Today I'm doing my first ever timing belt.
What?
Yeah.
On what kind of car? A Kia?
This
Hyundai?
is a 2004 Kia Magentis.
Dan, I'm seeing two cams.
Yeah, dual overhead cams.
Whoa.
So
Mike
we're
Urban
doing-
says you never forget your first one.
Yeah, I don't think I'll ever forget this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's rolling along nicely?
Yeah, it's rolling along nice. We've got the belt off. I'm going to be doing the water pump while we're in there as preventative maintenance.
Nice.
It's not every day that you get to take off the timing belt, so we might as well replace the parts that are hidden behind it.
Good call.
Yeah, we got all of our stuff set up. We have a new belt, everything, and we're going to get it all put together.
Well, good luck, Dan.
Thank you.
Hope it works out.
All right.
All right, what do we say here at Urban?
Safety first.